Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, front disc rear drum brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, low tire pressure warning. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.